Hey guys, want faster loader times and global reach? SiteGround's free CDN can help. In this video, I will walk you through step by step how to activate the free CDN in your SiteGround hosting account. So start by logging into your SiteGround dashboard. From the main menu, go to the Websites tab and select the website where you want to activate the CDN. Now, click on the Site Tools next to your website. Once inside, go to the Speed section from the left sidebar and select the CDN option provided by SiteGround. You will see two options, Free and Premium CDN. Click Activate under the Free CDN option and SiteGround will automatically configure the CDN for your domain. Now, if you're not using SiteGround's name servers, you may need to update your domain's DNS setting to point to the SiteGround server for the CDN to work correctly. Once the CDN is active, you will see the status changed to enabled. You can also check the CDN settings to make sure it's caching content and serving assets from multiple global locations. Now, you can also visit your website and use tools like GTmetrix or Google PageSpeed to see the improvement in load times and content delivery from the CDN. In the same Site Tool section, you can clear the CDN cache, switch to Premium CDN if needed, or disable the service anytime directly from your dashboard. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.